Euro against US dollar this week has dropped in value, and we can see the price has closed the month and also started the week with this bearish candle on a Monday, continued to fall down even more, even though I have expected the price could try to make a bullish breakout, again a bullish attempt to go above this resistance level. But the price has gone down, going even more below 1.107, making a bearish breakout, retesting this one and continue to fall down even more, where the price is stopped just here at this confluence of support 1.09860. Week has closed as a bearish candle. We can see a pretty strong one, and this combination of the candles is indication of the strong bearish sentiment. The month before that, the previous month has closed as a bullish. This was also very good information, but we can see currently the price has gone all the way back down to the first support level 1.09860. Now the month has just started, so we cannot make any conclusions. We need to wait 4 weeks to pass. But how this looks the price has returned back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support where the price could probably bounce from this one and continue to rise in value. Will that happen? This will be visible much more clearly each week how the price behaves. But for now we can see that the very important support level is this one, and also above that it will be 1.11871. How the week looks. Now this candle formation where we have a bullish candle, then a decision candle, and then strong bearish candle going back down, it is a strong indication of the bearish strength, and usually this is information that the price could go to the next support level, and this one support level is already reached. So will the price continue to fall down even more? The weekly time frame cannot show me the correct information, at least for now, and I'm going to back to the daily time frame, which also is not very clear, because we can see the price is stopped at this confluence of support. We have horizontal trend line which is acting as a support, and we have horizontal line acting as a support. So this will be a very important level that needs to be defined. Will it be broken going back down, or it will bounce back up going above? This is something that we need to wait till next week on a Monday and also Tuesday to see how the price behaves around this support level. Is there enough strength of the bears to push the price even more down? Now, how to make this support and resistance levels, and also this supply demand zones. This is something that I use in my strategies and also make the analysis, because the important support and the resistance levels and also supply demand zones are very important, because they show where the price could stop, could bounce, and also when the breakout happens, then you know the level has been broken, the price will continue in the direction of the breakout. This is something that I share inside the PDF. It's free. You can check it that below in the description. It will be a link for downloading this PDF. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.